Good morning, friends. I am Ravi Rathi, and today we are going to learn about tenses. Now, tense is derived from the Latin word tempus, which means time. We do not directly convert tense as time. Tense is basically the time of action of any time of action. The action may have taken place in the past, in the present, and in the future. So correspondingly, we have three main types of tenses. These are the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. Present tense is something that is happening at the current moment. Current implies present, hence present tense. Past tense is something that has already happened. Past, the word past stands for past, something that has taken place previously. Future tense, as the word suggests, it denotes something that is going to take place in the future. So, to get a bit philosophical, we can say that what happened yesterday was history. What is going to happen in the future is a mystery. Simple present tense. It indicates or stands for or is a sign of the present time. I hear the whistle of policemen. I help you in your work. So, where is this simple present tense used? Simple present tense is used to show certain habits and routines, things that we do regularly, habitual actions. Example, I drink tea every morning. He enjoys a good sleep. He wakes up early in the morning. These are things which you see stand for certain routine, something that happens in a period of time, repeated after a period of time, regularly. Then, for certain natural facts and universal truth, like birds fly, the earth revolves around the sun, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So, these are things which can't be contested, which can't be disputed. They exist, such as the sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west. Universal truth. Then, accepted truth. The capital of India is Delhi. Yes, Mumbai is the financial capital of India. Debatable, but 99.9% of the time accepted as the fact. Permanent situations. My brother lives in Georgia. I work as a teacher. Now there is something which is there. There is a state of being which is for keeps. Means it is not a temporary thing, not a touch and go thing, not a now here, afterward somewhere else. No, there is something which is going on for quite some while. She speaks Spanish. Then, for proverbial sayings like old is gold and necessity is the mother of invention. These are all proverbial sayings. So, proverbial sayings are also said in the simple present tense. Now, the different forms of the simple present tense, affirmative or positive form. Basically, an affirmative or positive form indicates is a type of sentence where no is not used. So, I always speak the truth. It rains heavily. This is the affirmative form. Then negative form is a sentence in which not or never is used. I don't hate anybody. See, don't is the contracted form of do not. So these are the different forms of the simple present tense. Present continuous tense. The sentence in which the action is in progress, which means it is happening now. For that, we have a simple formula. Subject plus is, am or are plus V1. V1 is the present tense form of the verb plus ing plus object if it is there. So now look at the sentence. I am playing tennis. I is the subject here. Then with I we get am. Play is the verb. Play is in the present tense form. So play plus ing. Ing. Tennis is the object. So I am playing tennis. Now I am reading, I am studying. There are certain words which are not used in the present continuous tense normally, like hear, smell, want, love, hate, and think. I am thinking is proper, but if you want to say what you are thinking, I am thinking Mary is Spanish. No, that does not sound correct. We say I think Mary is Spanish. I am wanting ice cream. No, you say I want ice cream. You don't say I am loving you, you say I love you.